Hi, I would like to speak about BBL procedures, I mean the Brazilian butt lift procedures. This is a liposuction procedures together with fat transfer to the gluteal area and the hip area. In BBL procedures, the most important thing is to reshaping of the body by liposuction. This is very important. If you do not do any reshaping, the result will be disaster. This is very important. Especially the patient should have a very flat tummy and very narrow waist. This is very important. Another thing, when we collect the fat from the body, we actually do something for the fat to be purified and then transfer to the fat to the gluteal area. The transfer is very important. If you do the fat transfer to the gluteal muscle, inside the muscle, the risk of fat embolism or the risk of complication is so high. Instead, what you should do is to do a fat transfer just under the skin in the fat area to give a reshaping of the bum together with the gluteal area and the hip area. This is very important.